Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and it has been a very long time. Several months indeed. I have missed making videos on this channel. I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been in a bit of a funk. I had a really catastrophic knee injury some months back, and it just totally sucked all my inspiration. But I honestly really enjoy making videos on this channel. Shouts out to everybody who watched my last video. I got like 400 views, so I really appreciate that. Coming down the pipeline, for anybody who cares, I'm probably just going to be doing updates and reviews on the things that I currently have in my collection. As y'all know, she's bougie on a budget, she's luxe on a budget, so the things that I have, I usually have to save up for to get them. And there's some things that I want to get this year, and some things that I've gotten off the camera that I want to share with y'all. So anyway, I wanted to do a video on something that always does really well on the channel, a tried and true format at this point, kind of a series. Cheapest luxury videos, finding the cheapest flyest thing that we can find from different luxury brands without like repeating the same things. The brand that we will be unboxing today is actually YSL. I went ahead and took my little postage sticker off, but this is what the box looked like that it came in. Can y'all guess what it was that I got that was the cheapest item from YSL? And this is not from YSL makeup. That was another little rule that I decided to add, because you don't want to get something from a brand's makeup line. You want to get something from the fashion house. So I got this off the actual YSL website. And also, I have not taken a look at this item. The only thing that I've done is cut this flap because I didn't want to be struggling. As y'all can see, I'm still working on my setup. If y'all knew how down that I've been, I would just be like, well, girl, get your life. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. But yeah, my setup for where I'm gonna be unboxing it, I haven't got that all together. So anyway, let's see if we have the room to get this open. Ooh, so the brand, as you can see, is YSL Saint Laurent. That's how the item comes, okay? So just like with Chanel and Dior, you get a lot of packaging. They really protect the packaging experience, which I appreciate. So we'll go ahead and jump down into the box. But yeah, lots of tissue paper. And then what we're used to, a nicely wrapped box. It's worth noting that the knot on this isn't particularly cool. It's just like your basic knot, no bow or anything. It's pretty basic, but otherwise the box itself is really pretty, very plain. I have taken to like putting keepsakes and knickknacks in my designer boxes, and what's nice about them is they look good on shelves, you know, instead of getting like the plastic boxes, you know, having my designer boxes. And then I'm thinking of like labeling them like on the bottoms and stuff. So yeah, here is, I'm guessing, the receipt. Oh, and YSL also does give you the option to personalize a note. I actually bought this item. Oh, the battery thing's coming up. I actually bought this item 2 weeks ago. So I wrote on here, here's to kicking the new year off right, blanking your life in style. It gives away the item. So here's the note that I wrote. So we'll go ahead and then, yeah, the material. This is really nice material. The paper that everything comes in. And then they got a little card that says Saint Laurent on it. Yeah, I'm assuming all of this is like return stuff. Yeah, return policy, a return label if I want to return it, prepaid postage. Very classy, YSL. I don't think any other brand gives you prepaid return postage. And yeah, a packing list. This packing list, though, looks like something you would give to like a retailer. It's got like a PO on it and the department number. And anyway, that's not why we're here. We're here for this, so let's go ahead and open it, okay? This non-bow. All right. And that's what their packaging looks like on the inside. Okay, a little door. And here's our item. Okay, wonder what it is. Okay, so the item that I got from YSL, that was the cheapest item, is this tote bag that says, I want to do bad things with you. I saw this on the YSL website, and as far as I could tell, this was the cheapest item. I believe this bag was $65. I believe. I forget. But yeah, it says Saint Laurent on the bottom, and it's a pretty big size bag. My plan is to probably use it more as like a gym bag, grocery bag, everyday bag, just, you know, everyday bag. It's pretty big. It'll be interesting to see how much stuff I can tote with this. As I do use this, I'm going to keep you guys updated on it. And actually, I think another thing that I want to do with my unboxing videos is give y'all updates on items, if they fell apart, if they're shitty, how they are months, later, years later, and all that stuff. There's been a lot of cool stuff that I've unboxed, and I'm, would just love to get people hip to whether it was like worth buying or not, or whatever. So yeah, here's the item. It is a YSL tote bag. And yeah, back to my note. My note said, in full, here's to kicking off the new year right and toting your life in style. XO Donnie, which, as y'all know, Donnie's my nickname. And yeah, we love notes to ourselves. We got to show ourselves the utmost love, Can't love anybody else if you don't love yourself first, So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving this video a like. If there are brands that you would like for me to buy from, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll definitely consider it. I want to say shout out to the person who left a comment on one of my videos saying that they liked the videos. It was kind of the spark that got me to even go and buy something else. I've been in a huge funk, and I really enjoy making videos on this channel. It's fun, it's playful, it's not serious. This is just the place where I come to like just have fun. And one of the perks of being an adult and having your own money is sometimes you get to waste it on silly things. But I think, surrounding yourself with nice stuff and stuff that you hold dear is really cool, I am also very interested in potentially trying to buy more vintage this year. As y'all know, a couple of the bags that I own are actually secondhand. So, and I even have, my vintage Hermes bag. So that was the video. I am really hoping not to be gone for this long next time. I don't think I will. My birthday's coming up. I will be having a birthday on February 22nd of this month. So I'll probably be doing a birthday unboxing at that point. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, check out my other cheapest luxury videos if you haven't checked them out. And until next time, peace.